Imagine shedding those extra pounds while enjoying generous portions of delicious food. Weight loss is one of the most frequently reported benefits of a vegan diet due to the low calorie density of plant-based foods. Meals high in fiber and water content stimulate signals of satiety, reducing the urge to overeat. A man shared his remarkable weight loss journey, losing weight while still enjoying generous portions. Incorporating beans and legumes can enhance the nutritional value of meals without adding extra calories. A vegan diet has been linked to a lower risk of chronic conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and hypertension. Studies show significant reductions in cholesterol levels and better regulation of blood pressure among vegans. Higher fiber intakes are essential for digestive health and disease prevention. A plant-based lifestyle promotes environmental sustainability by lowering one's carbon footprint. Eliminating meat and dairy can have an individual's carbon footprint. Livestock production accounts for an estimated 14.5% of all greenhouse gas emissions. Plant-based proteins require substantially fewer resources, reducing water and land usage. A vegan diet can significantly enhance gut health due to its high fiber intake. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and legumes serve as prebiotic sources, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A diverse array of plant foods creates a favorable probiotic environment. Soluble fiber found in beans, oats, and avocados aids digestion and regulates blood sugar levels. The potential drawbacks of a vegan diet include the risk of nutrient deficiencies and limited food options. Common deficiencies involve protein sources, vitamins B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Legumes, lentils, quinoa, and chia seeds are excellent sources of protein. Dark green leafy vegetables, beans, and fortified cereals are good sources of iron. Vegan sources of omega-3 fatty acids include flax seeds, walnuts, and algae-based supplements. Limited food options can be a challenge, especially in social situations. Meal planning and preparation can help provide variety and satisfaction in a vegan lifestyle. Exploring new recipes can introduce unique ingredients and flavors. Individuals following a vegan diet often face social challenges during activities that involve food. Connecting with a network of fellow vegans can provide valuable support and advice. Planning meals and snacks in advance ensures the availability of healthy options. Effective meal planning strategies, like batch cooking, can enhance the benefits of a vegan diet. Seeking support from a registered dietitian is crucial for ensuring nutritional adequacy. Transform your life and the planet with the power of a vegan diet.